What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video we're going to be installing the Autotech high pressure fuel pump internals onto our stock OEM fuel pump. Today I'm here with Mr. Brando. We're going to go ahead and see if we can get this done. Currently have it on the vise, and then we're use the bearing puller separator in order to get this out right here. Use the bearing press, took a little time, but make sure it's centered on there, and that thing is popped off now. We can go ahead and just remove this retainer somehow, and oh wow, we actually just broke this thing. Now remember, if you don't have this, you need to pick this up for this install. You should not do it without it. This is the Autotech high pressure fuel pump tool. Basically, after you remove that spring, you're gonna put it inside of here, and then take a 1/1/16 or a 27 mil and pop this housing off. And now that you've loosened this, you can go ahead and expose this part. Ooh, there's that. That's how that looks like. And now we're going to install the Autotech internals. So we're in the process of reassembling the pump right now. So the shaft goes through, obviously back through there. This bottom cap piece goes on the bottom. Now this spring goes on top, and then you put the retainer cap over it. Now we have the little bearing pieces. Okay, so we use this ratchet. We use this wrench. We press down on this cap so that we can put the retaining clips inside, and this looks to be pretty solid. Alrighty guys, now with the pump completely assembled back together, don't forget to lube this up before you put it back in. But we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this, and I swear to God this better work or I'm gonna be pretty fucking pissed. God damn. Pump is back in and installed, so moment of truth guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prime her up and see if she will start. Well, that was a hard start, but fuel pressure is where it should be. Yup.